So we have solved the rational equation. Ito equation na siya guys kasi meron siyang equal. So we need to find the value of x here. Pero may mga ano tayo na ito. Yung discriminant, mamaya. Ito yung discriminant guys. Katapos lang kanina. Mamaya, continue natin muna. So meron tayo number 8. So solve the rational equation. So yung given that is x over 3 plus 1/2 equals x minus 1 over 6. So you can solve it in two ways ulit. Like pwede mong kunin yung LCD na ito or LCM siya both side. Nakadepende sa trip mo. Pero papakita natin parehas para may idea. So kapag ginamitan natin siya ng LCD, so yung LCD na ito guys, ito yung kukunin natin sa left lang. Kung meron tayong x plus 3, ay x over 3 plus 1/2, so bali yung LCD niyan is 6. Then equals yung x minus 1 over 6. So ito guys, di-divide mo lang to dito sa denominator. 6 divide 3, that is 2 times x, that is 2x. Then yung plus, then 6 divide 2, that is 3 times 1, that is 3. So ito yung LCD natin. Pag gumagamit tayo ng LCD, mawawalan tayo ng mayroon pa rin tayong denominator doon. Then sa case na to guys, pwede mo siya i-cross multiply, pero actually mag-eliminate lang naman tong denominator. Pero i-cross multiply natin. Like magkakaroon tayo ng 2x plus 3 times yung 6 sa kabila equals yung x minus 1 then times 6. Then pwede na natin to i-distribute. So 2x times 6, that is magiging 12x. Then yung 3 times 6, that is 18. So plus 18. Sa kabilang side ganun din. Yung 6 times x, that is 6x. Then yung 6 times negative 1, that is negative 6. Then ngayon kailangan mo lang i-combine yung mga similar terms. So kung nakikita mo mas malaki yung number dito ng may x, tas positive na siya, dilipat mo dito lahat ng may variable x. So bali nandito yung 12x natin, dilipat natin yung 6x, so magiging minus 6x siya, equals, meron tayong negative 6 sa right side, pero lilipat natin yung 18 na positive, so magiging negative 18 siya. Then from here, pwede na natin yung simplify. Like magkakaroon tayo ng 12x minus 6x. So basically, magiging 6x yon. And this time, meron tayong negative 6 minus 18. That is negative 24. So dapat dinali dito sa integers. Then divide lang natin both by 6 para makuha natin yung value ng x. So magkakaroon tayo ng x which is negative 4. Ito yung value ng x natin. Pag pinlag natin to dito guys, ito pa rin maging equal sa right side. Anyways, pag ginamitan natin siya ng LCM, mas madali. Like wala na tayong denominator. So copy lang natin yung given. I have 2x plus 3 over 3 plus 1/2 then equals x minus 1 over 6. So kapag LCD may dynamic, isang side lang yon. Then kapag naman LCM, both side. So kunin natin yung LCM or least common multiples ng denominators. So we have 3, 2 and 6. So basically, pag in-skip count mo itong tatlo, yung number na unang tatamaan nila is yung 6. So kailangan mo lang siya i-multiply both side by 6, then divide, then multiply. So magkakaroon ka ng 6 divide 3, that is 2 times x, that is 2x. So wala tayong denominator doon. Then plus 6 divide 2 is 3 times 1, that is 3. Then ito 6 divide 6 is 1 times yung numerator, magiging x minus 1. Then same process, combine lang natin yung similar terms. So yung 2x, lipat natin yung x, magiging minus x. Then sa kabilang side, magkakaroon ka ng negative 1. Then yung 3, magiging negative 3 kasi nilipat natin ng side. So yung 2x minus x, that is x. Then yung negative 1 minus 3, that is negative 4. So which methods you will use? Pares lang sila. Gets? So pag LCM, mas madali siya kasi konting process lang eh. Like